guys, Assalamualaikum. So what will we do today is taking sample in the beach. Then you can see that our professor for Japan teach us before we go to there. Okay, we have done to take sample, plankton sample, right?
Seagrass,
Seagrass and fish
fish,
sample in the seagrass pet ecosystem.
happy,
Very happy. Mbak Nurul took photos for our lecture from Japan and Thailand, and our friends too from Rajamangala University.
Another one. Sensei. Yeah, in the Japan.
Okay guys, after we took seagrass, fish and water sample, we buy ice cream for keep the fresher. Anyway, water sample for we check the plankton diversity in there. See you. Assalamualaikum.